In this video, I'm going to show you how you can insert this double quote on any word or on a direct speech. As you can see, here are the symbols of the double quote that I've just inserted on this word hello. So I'll go ahead and delete it and then show you how I was able to insert it. So to insert it, we're going to use this key on your keyboard. Just check on your keyboard, either on your computer or on laptop, and then you'll see this key that contains the double quote and then apostrophe sign, and it is just next to the enter key. So if you go ahead and tap on it, you can see it will not enter, or it will not type a double quote, but it will type a single opening quote. But for our case, we want to go ahead and enter a double quote. For that, go ahead and change the function of this key by pressing down the shift key on your keyboard, either this shift key or this shift key, just one of them. And then once you have pressed the shift key, now you can go ahead and tap on the quotation key here, and now you can see it has entered an opening double quote. To close it, go ahead and put the cursor where you want to at the end of the sentence or the word, and then again go ahead and press the shift key and make sure that the shift key is pressed down while pressing on the double quote mark like that, and it will insert it. So that's how we can insert a double quote sign on a document by following these simple steps. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.